Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another vlog. In case you're new here, I'm Samantha.
Hey guys, I'm Fareed.
And today we're here in the Hunza Valley. We live in the Hunza Valley, but today we're going to be doing a special activity where we're going to be going to hike to one of the highest viewpoints in central Hunza, which is known as Mailkamu Shikari in Burushaski, the local language, and also known in English as the Queen's Monument. What we're going to do first is we're going to head here from Aliabad to Karimabad, which takes about 15 minutes on bike, and then we're going to start the trek. So come on, let's go and hike to one of the best day hikes in the Hunza Valley. So these hiking boots are absolutely my favorite ever. They're very iconic. They didn't take much time to break in. I got them pretty recently in May, and they're called Salomon Gore-Tex. This is not sponsored. I just love these boots. Now we're on one of the back roads that leads to Karimabad from Aliabad. I love this road. It's super scenic, especially in the fall. Flowers are still not quite out yet, but also this road has significantly less traffic. So here's the traffic just coming along. We have parked the bike here in Karimabad because we don't want to, bring it up with us to the road. It's not a good road to get up there. So now we're just gonna get some snacks. This is the Al Karim Bakery, and here's what it looks like. This was a long-time favorite when we were living up in this area. All right, we got some aquafina, tikbala. They have these types of snacks, sugary types of snacks, all types of snacks, juices, suchan, popcorn. Yeah. Okay. Alto popcorn, please. Alto popcorn. Sauce. So we are just walking still towards the start. There are a few different, ways to get here. This way. Today we're going this way, which also leads into other villages of Karimabad. How are you feeling, Fareed? Yeah. How is the weather today?
It's amazing.
Yeah, the weather is awesome. We're just coming into this little game that these guys are playing.
They're playing badminton.
Badminton? Yeah. Is badminton common here?
Yeah.
Hey, Bahabala. Bahabala. Hi, Bahabala. Hi, Bahabala. Badminton is a pretty common sport here in Hunza. Fareed, you used to play, right? Yeah. I actually like it as well, but we've never played. Why?
Yeah, we'll buy badminton rackets.
Yeah, that would be fun in our yard. And these are also some super old and interesting neighborhoods as well. Rounded the corner to this Lishu right here. Hey, Bahavila. It's always a great day to see one in the wild. And we've got some stone steps we're working with. We are now heading up. Now we're kind of like at the proper starting point of the trek. It is, let's see what time it is. It is 2:57 p.m. and we're gonna see how long it takes for us to get to the top. So this area here, that's Deron Peak, an amazing mountain of the Karakorams. But over here you will see this, which in the winter is an ice skating rink, and in the summer is a pool, and I actually swam in it. Up there is our destination. Just sitting here taking a quick break. Drinking a little bit of water. Let me check to see how. So here you can see this arrow, so that's like, for this trek. But let me check to see how many miles we have in fact gone. Let's see, how does this work? This is my first time. Okay, so we've gone half, actually it's in kilometers, so we've gone half a kilometer so far, and 15 minutes have elapsed, so let's get back on the trail. Alrighty, and we are finally approaching the true start. At this point, we've reached this much more open area, and we're trying to still head up there. So we are, you know, deciding which path to take because there are a few up. Semi-recently, like last year, the community built this type of road. However, the first time Fareed and I came up here, it was just this path that you're going to see, and we're gonna take it because it's shorter and a bit more challenging as opposed to just walking on a road. Views are on point as per usual. So now we've decided to take a bit of a shortcut. Let me give you guys an idea of what that means. So we're going from here up there. It will connect up there. The other option is to continue on this path and go around all of this little road way up there. You can see that road. So we might take that way on the way back. We're almost near the top, but just to give you guys an idea of how high we are, literally down there is the Baltistan fort, and all those houses, that's where we started from. We have made it here, Fareed and I, to the Queen's Monument. Well, actually it's up there. I'm going to show you in a minute, but we have made it up, and in total, let me check my phone app to see, for about, you know, 1 hour and let's see, it's saying 1.5 kilometers. So that pretty much aligns with, you know, what you could see statistics online. And guys, look at these views. We have so many mountains going on here. This one up there, the super pointy-ish one that looks sloped, Spantic. This one, Rush Peak. This one, Deron Peak. And this one, my absolute favorite, Rakaposhi Mountain. So up there, we have another mountain that's hiding at the moment called Altar, and this is the Altar Glacier. There used to be a trek to Altar Glacier as base camp. However, it was destroyed in a landslide, although it's still somewhat possible to reach the Altar Glacier. But nowadays, you know, more people are coming up here to Queen's Monument, Mailkamu Shikari, than over there due to that landslide that happened around 5 years ago. This here is Mailkamu Shikari. It was built by, you know, the local rulers. As you can see, it's pretty big. There's not really any walls, although, you know, you could climb over. And here is kind of what it looks like from this side. And the cool thing about this is it could also be used as a fort, because obviously you can see the entire Hunza Valley, central Hunza Valley area from here. And you can also see, let me show you guys coming around this corner. Hey Fareed, snack time. Yeah, we're gonna get into these snacks. And I just wanted to show you guys, do you see this glacier straight ahead where I'm pointing? That is literally a glacier that is, a mountain that is located technically over like in the Skardu region, and if you want to climb it, people climb it from over there. And we have actually been to that area to climb one of the highest lakes in Pakistan before. And a closer look at the enormous black glacier that leads all the way up there to the white glacier of Altar. heading back down, you know, as you can see down there. We're heading back down towards Karimabad. It's been an amazing day, afternoon here at Malukawa Shakari. Freddie, did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Weather is so good right now. Like, we have been frozen. We have been here since January 9th. And now, guys, this is happening. Spring is here and warm weather is also coming. Warm weather is also very much here. In the past, you would need like 4 or 5 layers just to be doing anything outside. And now I'm literally just wearing 2. Farid Amluni-chan. Dayava.
Wapis Nichawan.
Wapis Nichaban. That means we are going back. Wapis Nichaban. So at this point, there's 2 ways to get down. There's this road, which, you know, has been built. And then there's the shortcut. We are going to go for the shortcut. Let me just give you guys a quick look at, you know, here we are heading down. Obviously, this is a shortcut because it's not an official path. So you do have to be a bit more careful, but overall, like, this is, you know, we're not gonna fall. Like, this isn't a cliff, and it's made of mostly sand. So I slide like this and made it. We'll also bring down goats, sheep, cows, yaks. Shouldn't come as a shock or anything, but it's way easier to come down, y'all. We started from up there literally like 15 minutes ago, came all the way down here, and now we are here, although we still have quite some ways to go. This is honestly my favorite view in the world, the majestic Rakaposhi Mountain at 7,788 meters. And, you know, not really particular mountain areas. You'll usually find that trails are, you know, foresty, green, stuff like that. But here in Hunza, it's nice because like everything is super open. Like, you can see everything around you. You're not in a forest, and you could always see, you know, where you're going for the most part. This is literally my least favorite type of terrain, guys. But we are almost there. So we've made it down to this part, which is basically like a recently built type of road. It's not really that utilized at the moment, but you know, it's here. So just going to walk down here and then head to our bike. Overall, I would say that the trek took us, let's see what time it is now. Let's see. So it took us approximately like 2.5 hours, given that we did spend some time up there. So overall, it was a super great way to spend the day today. The show is there as well. Always, like, you know, one of my fave things about life in Hunza. Bashosho, seers, farm animals. Oh, they're so cute. And then this, let me show y'all where they live. This is like their little house. So we've come to the end of our trek. We're near our bike now, and it was really nice. It was really good to enjoy spring. Farid, what did you think?
Yeah, it was an amazing day.
Yeah, it was a very
fun.
Yeah, I really did, because y'all, it was a difficult winter. Like, winter was, it was something. So, you know, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a comment, or, you know, some sort of action, because that will really help me get this video out to more and more people, which would be awesome. So thank you guys so much for your support, and I hope to see you guys in the next episode on another adventure here in Pakistan.
See you guys. Bye.
Bye.